guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Remember that I say I have a very special video, so here it is. It's another woodcraft, but it's not just any woodcraft. It's like a house, like a really nice one this time. Okay, so also this time my woodcraft finally is going to have some lights and music in it. So excited for that. Okay, so let's get started with the woodcraft. Oh, actually before we open the box, I'll let you guys see the image on the screen first. Okay, finally, let's open it. Let me get the box first. Okay, so this is what the box looks like from outside. It says from Cute Bee. Yes, that's the where I bought it from. It's online. Okay, and DIY house, whole love, homemade, enjoy life. Okay, let's open it. Okay. So this is like the instruction sheet, I think. This is the materials that we need, the walls and the dust cover. I think this is like the paper accessories. Okay, like what we did before too. Let's close it in first. Let's look at this. So it says the things that we need are I already prepared like the words in English. You guys can actually read it. Not like this. So we need tape. Okay, I have no idea why. Say we need screwdriver. I guess we'll see in the in the video, in the middle of something. Okay, and we need scissors. And we need some glue. You can take any glue, just glue stick or something. You can take some wool glue too when sticking the walls, and craft knife. Then I just got another glue. Okay. We actually need a clipper too, but I can't find my clipper. And where is my ruler? Okay, here it is. So that's all we need. Now let's get started with the living room stuff. But today we'll only be doing the couch, like the sofa. Okay, it's like 沙发的制作. Okay, then I will get the paper first. Okay, so for the other instructions, I'll just put it on the table and let you guys see in fast motion or something. today our work will finish until here, like the whole sofa set. And I added this person here, so it's like sitting on the sofa. Or like, I think this one would be like a coffee table where I can lay on it. Like a massage chair. We can just put away the pillow, then like sleep here or something. And then put it there. Hey, where's the other one? Oop, okay. Like that. Kind of weird. Okay. So that is the end of the video. And I will see you in the next one where we do something even special than this one, because this one is like, okay. Bye.